Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vivi Wogu. If this is your first time on this channel, you are welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back. Thank you for always stopping by to watch my videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to the channel and become a part of the family.
I only miss you when the sun goes down. Oh, your voice is my favorite sound.
From the title of this video, you'll be wondering, what is this girl coming to talk about now? Is it possible to get monetized in a few days? Of course, it's possible. I'll give you an example by just telling you a short story. So there's this big YouTuber in Nigeria here. She actually has a channel that caters to over 100,000 subscribers. So she started her video channel, I think about like probably over 6 years ago or thereabouts. And she also grew like a very normal YouTuber. Of course, it's not so easy to get monetized on YouTube. There's just a whole lot of requirements, that you need to meet and all of that. So she got monetized along the line, and now she's grown her channel to over 100,000 subscribers. And then she's also like brought in a lot of her family members into YouTube as well. So there's this sister of hers who just started YouTube last year. Before she even posted any serious video, she only like posted one introduction video. And I think before then, her sister had told her subscribers that her sister, I mean the big YouTuber, had told her subscribers that her elder sister was coming into YouTube. Before she could even post anything, people had gone and subscribed to the channel. So this lady had, I think, about 12,000 or so subscribers just within a week, and she was monetized within a week. So everyone watched her introduction video and gave her the 4,000 hours that she needed, and within a week she was monetized. So it's really possible you can get monetized just immediately you enter into YouTube by being recommended by a big YouTuber that people love watching. They would also want to go and watch this person that they're recommending and subscribe to the channel. So it is actually possible to be monetized through recommendations by a YouTuber. Another way to get monetized so quickly is by making a viral video. So any video that goes viral obviously means that a lot of people have queued into watching it. It could be anything. It could be comedy. It could be just anything beautiful. I did watch a lady on YouTube here who got monetized by just making shots with her baby, dressing her baby up in different beautiful attires. The baby is a very cute baby, and you know how people just gush over beautiful babies. So yeah, she got monetized by making shots dressing her baby up, and also like feeding her baby different foods and all of that. So people just love watching such content. A lot of people have also gotten monetized quickly by posting dance videos. People love watching dance videos. I love watching dance videos. I used to dance before, but I'm not so good now. Otherwise, I would have done it and gotten monetized a long time ago. So through recommendations, through making viral content, something that people really love to watch, of course you can get monetized within days or a few weeks of just being on YouTube. Yeah, so it's possible. Of course it is. Don't give up and don't feel like, oh, 4,000 watch hours is such a long way to go. 1,000 subscribers, when am I gonna get those and all of that? There are people who have gotten to that milestone within days, and you could be one of them. So don't get discouraged. Get into your game, start your YouTube channel, and think of interesting content to post, and you never know, you might just be one of those people who get monetized like that quickly. We've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give the video a like, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to the channel. Would really love to have you on this channel. On this channel I post vlogs, hair content, baby content, and just things in general that I love doing. So if you're interested in those kind of contents, please endeavor to subscribe to the channel and also go back to watch my previous videos. I'll link a few of them somewhere in the cards. So please go and watch my videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.